Welcome everybody to Forza Futsal Club Intra Club Season 4. This is the third match for today. We will be watching the game start very soon between Phantoms and Rogue Wolves. Phantoms in the red, Rogue Wolves in the purple. Now this is the juniors match from the football division. Here's the start of the game. Direct hit attempted. It's not worked out specifically. From Vedant Parmar is who it looked like who took the shot. Pass played to the outside by Satpute. Uneasy, but the ball control is there. Now ball dispossessed. That's gonna go off target, but the corner kick, it should have been prevented by the goalkeeper, and that doesn't exactly happen. Corner kick underway. That didn't work out for Rogue Wolves. A ball towards the midfield. Trying to take it to the right, Rogue Wolves. There's not enough space. A pass on to the midfield. Parmar has been dispossessed. Here's the run forward. Ball played on the outside. Now quickly snapped at the back by Swaraj. Oh, that's well done to protect the ball by Ashish. These two are the driving force of Phantoms, Ashish and Vedant Parmar. Free kick just ahead of the half line. Where does this one go? Looks like he went for the accuracy part with the lob attempt. It's off target nonetheless. Side kick. No, it should be a goal kick. It went out. Now the goal kick is underway. Rogue Wolves, they get dispossessed. Vedant Parmar. Handball, and it's a penalty is what it looks like. We'll see about this. Patil tried to go for the long range finish, and now this is problematic for Rogue Wolves. Phantoms, who's going to be the candidate taking this penalty? It does look like it is Vedant Parmar. We'll see where this goes. This was easy to avoid this penalty kick, honestly. Vedant Parmar, to the sound of the whistle, awaits a potential goal which will put Phantoms in lead. One final check. So talking about the format, we do have 4 teams: Phantoms, Rogue Wolves, Rapid Rovers and Slayers, each divided in juniors and seniors category, and they're supposed to play futsal as well as football. So we have a big interactive tournament which will give us the final conclusion as to where these players representing their specific teams stand in respective field of football or futsal for their division, juniors or seniors, as they are subdivided. Now the penalty stands. Vedant Parmar. And it's in! Underneath the leg of the goalkeeper. Power does it. Accuracy was off, but the goalkeeper flustered. That should put Phantoms in lead. It could have been saved. It nudged across the leg, the left leg of the goalkeeper, and then went in. This save was very possible. So 1-0. early lead for Phantoms. Restart of the game. Rogue Wolves begin this from Sarth at the half line. Yellow card has been shown to Vedant Parmar for an inappropriate celebration. And somebody else is shown the yellow card too. Appeals going from Vedant Parmar, but I think the yellow card can stand for bad manners. Time to play the game is what it looks like. Arguments after scoring a goal. I mean, all of this is very avoidable. Very easily this can be managed. This is just very foolish to get a yellow card after scoring. Now start from Sarth, put forward. The attempt to get the ball is uneasy from Yuvraj Wagh. Rushing forward towards the ball, Rajveer. Side kick. Now taken aback, Vedant Parmar. This time it is saved by the goalkeeper. Intercepting touch coming in from Rajveer. Vedant Parmar. He's surrounded by two players. The dribbling works against them, but the third player gets the ball away. Rogue Wolves number 17 Karthik was able to detach the ball away from Parmar and move forward. And there is a foul is what it looks like. There's a lot of dead ball movements in this game, even though the score is 1-0 in favor of Phantoms. Here's the free kick. Oh, this is on target. Not bad. Clearance is urgent from Phantoms. The red team unable to get the ball held correctly for a proper counter-attack. Side kick. Laid up, spaced, blocked. Now ball forward. And this looks like a clearance from Swaraj. It was necessary. It was important. Satpute couldn't clear the ball by himself, so Swaraj helps him further on that part. Now to the left side, Yuvraj Wagh. Oh, that's a lot of effort to put in with the stretch. It's not Yuvraj Wagh actually. It was Vishrut. They swapped positions is what it looks like on the field. Rogue Wolves attackers. Side kick in play. Hefty dribbling. The tackle does come in from Satpute. Now a ball forward. Goal kick for the team in lead. It's a long distant one, but not aimed towards a teammate. He's very far away, isn't he? Number 26, that is from Phantoms. Nice attempt to tackle the ball. Oh, that's a very good cut. Stretched forward by Vedant Parmar. Touch forward. Is it any good? From Rogue Wolves. And they do lose the ball. Nice pass on the outside. Under control. Now an attack can certainly commence, and there is an opportunity. Just not enough. Swaraj. Oh, that's a very good pass. Touch to the right. Shot attempted. Blocked here by Ashish Sonar. Important block. He was beaten on the dribble, but then he didn't get beaten on the shot. So Rogue Wolves showing signs that they still want to get an equalizer and attack. Parmar now to the left. Is he gonna use the left foot? He tries. It's not worked out. He does get another chance with this ball. He plays it on the outside. This can work out, but not between these two players. Rajveer was available on the outside, and he does have the ball. Not anymore. Very good chop. The touch forward to beat the player. The feint. It's unsuccessful from Rogue Wolves right back. Quick tackle. Vedant. Parmar. Shot not going well. Partially blocked. Here's the pass. And now the rebound. Oh, this is a shot on target. Saved here by Rogue Wolves. They're trying to get the ball away. Troublesome situation. Escaped. Much to the wonders of a potential second goal, which has been neutralized as a threat from Rogue Wolves. Here's the snatch from number 11 Ashish Sonar. Potential counter-attack. Rogue Wolves, but they need to be quick. They just can't be dribbling near the half line, but this is good dribbling. It's actually wonderful dribbling. It has been a free kick out of it at the very least. I say he needs to release the ball, but then he wins a free kick out of it, so that's not bad. But definitely grabbing the attention of up to two players and then releasing a ball is actually a clever move indeed. The ball is cleared. Rebound. Going to Vedant Parmar after a touch from Rogue Wolves defender. And now that's a brilliant tackle by Yuvraj Wagh. The tackle. It's there. Almost dispossessed and repossessed thanks to Karthik having the ball. He lost it, then found it, and then lost it again. It stays 1-0. Side kick. Going for height. Headed downwards by Ashish. Here's the tackle. Very good. The second one as well. Nicely returned towards Vedant Parmar so that the attack can commence for Phantoms. Left-footed attempt. He's gone haywire. Rogue Wolves. They just lose the ball there. Swaraj and Ved saath pute. They're running three people at the back. Quickly turned and passed so that he can get past Vishrut. A corner kick. Phantoms have been having higher ball possession, more number of strikes, and the more attack oriented play. Or just two people bumping into each other. Nobody gets the ball. That's awkward. A half-hearted challenge. Don't see how this can be a foul because nobody contacted the ball. It should be a side kick, and it is for Rogue Wolves. Now that was a good nudge and cleared away just in time by Swaraj Chavan. Corner kick for Rogue Wolves. Here is the corner kick. Played on the outside and at the back. Looks like a retake is requested because of the space being just not given appropriately. Oh, this can work out. Somebody needs to step inside the D-box from Rogue Wolves. That was a brilliant ball. Anybody with speed and craftiness, could have stepped forward and taken a touch towards the goal. There's been only one shot and it has been on target from Rogue Wolves. Here's another one. This is off target. The one which we saw become a corner kick due to the goalkeeper's error of controlling the ball. It does look like Ashish is the man taking this goal kick. Simply a clearance. Rogue Wolves, they want to take one quickly. Going for distance. Attempt to control the ball. Just didn't work out for Sarth. Now ball on the outside. Yuvraj. Foul has been given is what it looks like. He's very evasive, isn't he? But he's probably hurt his knee. He's limping slightly. And now here's the free kick. Oh, very good touch from the man in the wall. Sarth denied at a direct take against the goal post. Corner kick. But what Rogue Wolves need to do is convert. Cleared. And just watching the ball go out. There's the long range kick. Oh, that was a very dangerous bounce. Somebody could have definitely taken advantage, and even a mistaken touch could have resulted in a problem. Now Phantoms at the back, and they do clear the ball. Trying to run forward, Arav Kharadkar. Let's take a touch out of Sarth once again. Yuvraj Wagh. Now this is Sai. Very good from Rogue Wolves. There's just no firepower available at the midfield. The challenge coming from Ved Satpute. It's good. Now ball at the back towards Ashish. Now on to the other side. Swaraj being careful. A touch forward. Ashish. He's patient. He knows he can use the window of opportunity according to the man in front of him, according to the opponent. Ball at the back once again. Oh, this is a mistake. There is an opportunity. Rogue Wolves, they just don't get anything out of it. And it does not look like a foul contact at all. Rogue Wolves, I'm not sure what they are appealing about. Sometimes you need to study the football. There was that contact, and it has resulted in a goal. 2-0. Brilliant. So goal scoring candidate, it's Rajveer. An outstanding positioning effort. And he does touch the ball. Sarth, pushed by Yuvraj, told to take the restart of the game correctly. 2-0 for Phantoms. The Red Army is raging onward. Brilliant cross. Finish. It just needed to be on target pretty much. Now Rogue Wolves, they need to double their effort. Here's a speedy Yuvraj Bhag. Oh, they do lose the ball there. Nice challenge. Thought he won the ball there for a moment, even if only. Patil, that is the captain of Rogue Wolves. Pass on the inside, didn't work out. Now on to the outside. Nudge forward. That's a lot of dribbling done. Over dribbling even at this point from Karthik. Yuvraj. They don't even win a corner kick out of it. This game is very close to being over. Aiming for distance, Ashish. And it's inside the D box. It won't account for the touch, which would have resulted in it being a goal. Goal kick for Rogue Wolves. That's questionable. Swaraj, I don't know what he's thinking and doing. Turned the ball aerially towards his D box. That's not supposed to happen. In fact, a cheeky attacker might have thanked him. Oh, very good effort. That was an opportunistic ball. The finish was just not there from Phantoms number 5. If he just had one of his two legs touch the ball forward, it could have been a goal because the goalkeeper seemed very much beaten on that diving effort. Nice attempt, and that was another opportunity for Phantoms. Number 3 this time, being inches away from being there. That could have been the third goal. Nice effort, however. Just fall down and get a tackle out. Rather a stretch out. Good header. Parmar. Challenged by Yuvraj Bhag. Yuvraj Bhag desperate to get the ball, but Vedant Parmar, he's patient. Now he'll let it go towards the teammate. That's close effort. Once again, something could have worked out between Rajveer and Ashish, who moved after the ball was pretty much taken forward by Vedant Parmar. Left to right, right to left. Parmar holding on to the ball possession. This is a questionable ball. Swaraj, however, managed to get it away. Just good. Swaraj. Corner kick. Vedant. Oh, that's not bad. Once again, underneath the leg of number 5 from Phantoms. Nice effort to curl the ball in deep. So sometimes you just need to close the legs. Clearance. Oh, this is a real opportunity. If only the realization happened a bit sooner from Advait. Nice try. It's on target. Deflected away. Poor way to keep the ball back, Rogue Wolves. I think they're out of energy, however. That's a considerable factor too, considering how long this game has been going on for. Advait, effort put in. Yuvraj. Just tackled away by Swaraj. And this is it. 2-0. Rogue Wolves could not score a single one. Phantoms will win the junior division match. This was their first game, and we have so many more games to decide who is on top, who is down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next game.